Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the way you browse the web? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, how to make the most of generative AI, specifically using a powerful tool called web browser. But what is web browser exactly? In short, it's an AI-powered assistant that can search, retrieve, and summarize information from the web, making your online experience faster and more efficient. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it in your daily life to boost productivity, creativity, and much more. Let's get started. So, let's talk about the first way you can use web browser, researching any topic in seconds. As you can see, with just a few clicks, web browser pulls up the most relevant information, summarizing the latest innovations and trends in renewable energy. This saves you tons of time that you'd otherwise spend sifting through pages of results. Next up, let's see how web browser can help you stay updated with current events. With web browser, you can quickly catch up on what's happening around the world, summarized neatly in a few sentences. This way, you're always in the loop without needing to scroll through endless news sites. Now, what if you're working on a project and need specific up-to-date data? Web browser has you covered. Watch how it retrieves the latest studies and statistics related to e-commerce growth, all without leaving the page. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who needs accurate data on the fly. And finally, let's talk about inspiration. Whether you're a content creator, a writer, or just looking for fresh ideas, web browser can spark creativity. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, helping you find new angles and ideas whenever you need them.
you can see how it quickly generates a list of creative video ideas which you can explore further.
And there you have it, a quick guide to using web browser to enhance your online experience. Whether it's for research, staying informed, or finding inspiration, this AI tool can make your life easier and more productive. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more content like this. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI in your everyday life. See you in next video. Ciao!